See the unseen. Change the unchanged. The Innovation.
The Innovation Volume 4 Issue 5 was published on September 11, 2023. This issue covers the fields of medicine, physics, life science, geology, information, materials, chemistry, etc. 25 articles published, including 1 editorial, 1 news and buzz, 1 perspective, 9 commentaries, 2 translational patents, 1 letter, 3 articles, 4 reports, and 3 reviews. Welcome to the highlights of Volume 4 Issue 5. Botanical gardens need to consider opportunities for innovation that help societies respond to global plant diversity loss and climate change. The application of phytolith analysis within a fossil Mesozoic vertebrate skeleton has provided direct evidence for the specific diet among ancient Cretaceous birds. What can we learn from the largest known ancient whale fossil? Quantum dots with intrinsic bright and stable fluorescence emissions are robust tools for the optical imaging of macrophages at multiple scales. On the way to find an ideal quantum spin liquid candidate through intensive and unremitting theoretical and experimental efforts. It is essential to explore potential synergies among different technologies to achieve continuously and electrically driven colloidal quantum dot lasers. Changing climate and anthropogenic activities have resulted in increased temperature and below-average rainfall over Mongolia, eventually fostered conditions conducive to sandstorms to transport large quantities of sand and dust to northern China. Unequal urban heat burdens between global north and global south urban settlements. A new eco-friendly economic path can be developed to address current environmental, social, and economic issues. A promising pathway to achieve efficient large-area, all-perovskite tandems and modules by developing novel hole-selective layers. Overview of the development of robotic surgery in China. Comprehensive characterization of associations between intratumor microbiomes and cancer immune features and functional role of intratumor microbiome in immunotherapy. An online tool for evaluating the current ovarian reserve status. AI-Link Omnipotent Pathological Robot can be used in hospitals at multiple levels and will become an AI assistant in real-world pathological diagnosis. The competitiveness of a cardiovascular doctor within the Pan-Vascular Medicine Plus ecosystem. A disk model and constructed topologically protected logical space by the boundary Fibonacci Enneans. A scenario of fluctuating ferromagnetic droplets immersed in a sea of quantum spin liquid provides a platform to study how a QSL state survives impurities and coexists with other magnetically ordered states. MUTFormer, a transformer-based machine learning model to predict the deleteriousness of non-synonymous single nucleotide variants using protein sequence as the primary feature. A new potential correlation between the gut microbiota and muscle fatty acid content in obese Ningxiang pigs and lean Duroc Landrace Yorkshire pigs. A comprehensive study on spacer acquisition of a Cas4 lacking CRISPR-Cas system. The multivalency construction strategy provides new ideas for the biomimetic design of highly active and dynamic biomaterials for tissue repair and regeneration. The ability of an analytic model based on land cover change ratio and sustainability indexes to effectively assess the progress toward SDG Target 11.4 at the global scale. The conservation and restoration of coastal blue carbon ecosystems and improving their carbon sequestration potential can be a cost-effective pathway for climate change adaptation and help to achieve the carbon-neutral goals of China in 2060. The intricate connections between the gut microbiota, brain function, and systemic physiology can shed light on how we intervene and manage debilitating conditions more effectively. Flexible electronics have the potential to revolutionize cardiovascular healthcare monitoring by enabling innovative and patient-centric approaches to diagnosis, monitoring, and treatment.
Pursue excellence.